Hello everybody, how are you today? Happy weekend and happy vacation. Let's study together with me. Book 2, Unit 10, page 121. Let's begin. Where were you yesterday afternoon, Mr. Brown? Di mana kamu kemarin sore, Tuan Brown? I was out of the house all afternoon. Saya keluar rumah sepanjang sore. I called you on the telephone at about 3:30. Saya menelponmu sekitar jam 3:30. When you called me, I was at the university. Ketika kamu menelpon saya sedang berada di universitas. Did you see Mr. Sullivan at the university? Apakah kamu melihat Tuan Sullivan di universitas? Yes, I saw him for 2 or 3 minutes. Ya, saya melihat dia sekitar 2 atau 3 menit. What was Mr. Sullivan doing when you saw him? Apa yang dilakukan Tuan Sullivan ketika kamu sedang melihatnya? When I saw him, Mr. Sullivan was reading a book. Ketika saya melihatnya, Tuan Sullivan sedang membaca buku. You saw Henry last night, didn't you? Kamu melihat Henry tadi malam, bukan? Yes, I did. Ya. He was busy when I saw him. Dia sedang sibuk ketika saya melihatnya. What was he doing when you saw him? Apa yang dilakukan dia ketika kamu melihatnya? When I saw him, he was watching his favorite TV program. Ketika saya melihatnya, dia sedang menonton TV acara favoritnya. Did Mr. and Mrs. Brown call you yesterday? Apakah Tuan dan Nyonya Brown menelponmu kemarin? Yes, they did. They call us at about 3 o'clock. Mereka menelpon kita sekitar jam 3. What are you doing when they call you? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika mereka nelponmu? When they call us, we were having a late lunch. Ketika mereka menelpon kita, kita sedang makan siang. What time did Mr. and Mrs. Brown have breakfast yesterday? Jam berapa Tuan dan Nyonya Brown sarapan kemarin? I've forgotten what time they said they had breakfast. Saya lupa jam berapa dia bilang dia sedang sarapan. When you called me last night, ketika kamu menelpon saya tadi malam, I was addressing some letter. Saya sedang menulis alamat beberapa surat. How many letter did you write last night? Berapa banyak surat yang kamu tulis tadi malam? Quite a few, cukup banyak. There were 10 envelope, I believe. Ada 10 amplop, saya yakin. While you were reading letter, ketika kamu sedang menulis surat, I was reading a book. Saya sedang membaca buku. Were you home most of the day yesterday? Apakah kamu hampir sepanjang hari di rumah kemarin? I was on part of the day. Saya berada di rumah setengah hari. I went to the doctor office. Saya pergi ke kantor dokter. Saya pergi ke dokter. Did you go to the doctor in the afternoon? Apakah kamu pergi ke dokter pada sore hari? No, I went to the doctor about 10 o'clock in the morning. Saya pergi ke dokter sekitar jam 10 pagi. While you were at the doctor, ketika kamu pergi ke dokter, I was sleeping soundly. Saya tidur nyenyak. What time did you wake up yesterday morning? Jam berapa kamu terjaga kemarin pagi? I didn't wake up until nearly 11 a.m. Saya tidak terjaga sampai jam 11 pagi ya. While you were sleeping soundly, ketika kamu tidur nyenyak, I was doing a lot of things. Saya melakukan banyak hal. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck. Have a nice day. See you. Bye.